our only gateway to be able to participate in the World Cup was to win this Asian Cup. Unfortunately, we were not able to win today's game, which was very crucial. So we have to live with the reality. We need to see how we can really plan out the long-term basis plan for the Pakistan hockey, and that is, I believe, much more important rather than looking for the short-term basis planning. We have to look into the long-term plans.
Talking of today's match, Coach Saab, what went wrong today? Pakistan played superbly in the league matches.
I think from the beginning, the boys were not really playing according to the plan. Maybe one of the reasons, little rain. We are not really very much used to play in the rain. And that is not an actually excuse. They were also bit nervous playing against Korea because they lost last game against Korea, which was very crucial. We tried to bring them back in the second half. We had a team talk, which was, I believe, effective because they bounced back in the second half. With lots of missed chances, and yeah, that's how it is.
And plus, you got your only goal through the penalty corner, but 1 out of 4 is not that Pakistan is known for. Had it been Sohail Abbas, it would have been 3 out of 4. So you think that was...
Well, I think Sohail Abbas, we can imagine if and buts, you know, Sohail is not really playing international hockey anymore, so we have to see what we are having and how we can use them. So it is unfortunate, in previous games we have been scoring through short corners, but today, especially the first one, which was not on the target, supposed to be on the target at least. And that's true, but we did not, we were not really successful on a short corner.
And your main playmakers were not allowed to play really good hockey in the midfield. You think Korea did their homework really well and Pakistan didn't spring any surprise?
Well, one have to accept that. I think that they were very much there because we try to make our players aware if we can play like 2-3 touches hockey, because Korean habits, they are rushing to the ball carrier, especially the ball carrier who is with a lot of skills. So our players, because they are in a habit or old habits, that wants to make some good moves. And I'm sure they should have learned something from this game, and which will help them in the future.
Which one is better game? You choose India or Malaysia to play in bronze medal game?
Well, for us it is not really, it does not matter. But I think India is already through for the World Cup. They will be playing the semi-final without any pressure, and that's an advantage for them. Although the Malaysian team are having home ground advantage, but I think India will be should be able to win this game.
Coach,
to make it for the finals.
how difficult it will be to motivate your boys for the next match, knowing that you are out of the race?
It is always very critical time for any coach to reassemble the team when they are already broken. They knew that they cannot participate in the World Cup, and the classification game is still to play. And I will try my best. Anyways, we have to play this game, and we will try our best to at least finish on the 3rd place.
And what was that last moment disappointment that you had with the umpire's decision?
Well, I think supposed to be few times the bouncy passes below knee, it is allowed to play, and few times even if the ball was below knee, he has been blowing, and our players get frustrated. They were losing their temperament, and that is more killing actually when players losing their temperament. We have been trying our best to keep them calm, but it is always not in coach's hand when he is sitting outside. And the last moment, the Korean player, he was not 5-yard, he threw his stick intentionally to break the move, so everyone was shouting it is a short corner according to the rule, and he did not blow it, so we get more furious. And last dying stages, when you are losing by 1 goal and it is only few seconds to go or 1 minute to go, you can imagine how players react. So it is part of game. It was quite sensible or technical or experienced umpiring from Murray Grime, I would say. What else I can say?
Since this is a big blow for Pakistan, are you going to consider your position when you go back to Pakistan, your hometown?
Well, I'm not really very much keen, but still 1 game to go. Maybe I will step down.
Thank you, coach.
Good luck for the next match, Coach Saab.
Good luck for the next.